When your views is low, it usually means the algorithm is showing your videos to the wrong audience. But you can still reset that by sending the YouTube algorithm new signal to stop recommending your video to the wrong audience. So in today's video, I will teach you how you can reset the algorithm. A lot of YouTubers today, they change their skill, they change the type of their content, and after that, they will never get views again, because their audience is not interested in watching their new video, and that is why the YouTube algorithm will keep recommending the new video to the fake audience or the wrong audience. So if you want to reset your YouTube algorithm, you have to do some things so that the YouTube algorithm will stop recommending your new video to the old audience, because the old audience will not be interested in watching the old content. So you will have to reset the YouTube algorithm so that it can recommend your video to the new audience. So the first thing to do if you want to reset your algorithm is to clean up your old signal. If you have random video or off-topic video that confuse YouTube, you have to unleash them. Don't delete your old content, just hide them or private them so that they can't affect your new direction. Because if you delete your old content, it might kill your channel immediately. Even though you are interested in changing your niche, don't delete your old video, because that is the life of your channel. Number 2 is to retrain the algorithm with fresh content. Create a perfect related video 3 to 5 times in a row with the same topic. This make your channel blink, which tell YouTube that people love this video from your channel. Then YouTube will start recommending your video to the right audience. The number 3 thing is to use short videos to reach new viewers. Short videos can expose your channel to brand new audience fast. So make sure the short videos is perfect so that they can attract new viewers faster. Don't create random short video. You need to try your best, take your time and edit the short video perfectly. Edit the thumbnail, the title before uploading it so it can attract viewers faster. Then the number 4 thing you need to know is to stay consistent and patient. To reset your algorithm, it takes 4 to 8 months of consistent upload. The more focused and engaged your content is, the faster YouTube reset your audience. So to reset your algorithm, you have to focus on what I just explained, because the algorithm is smarter than you. If you don't do that, you will never get views after resetting your algorithm, and you have to be patient, because everything is all about patience. After resetting it, you will not get views in the first 2 weeks, but the YouTube algorithm will master your new audience time coming. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section so I might turn it to future video or reply immediately. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more of my video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.